Hey there, and welcome to Tech for Founders. If you're a non-technical founder or small business owner, you might feel overwhelmed by all the tech jargon out there. But don't worry, we've got your back. In this episode, I will be breaking down the 10 tech terms that you need to know in a language that is easy to understand. Make sure to subscribe to Tech for Founders on YouTube and on your podcast platform of choice in order to demystify the tech world and grow your business with us. First up, we have API, which stands for Application Programming Interface. It's basically a way for different software applications to talk to each other and share data. Think of it as how you and your friend understand and speak the same language. Next, we have the cloud. This is a fancy way of saying that you can store and access your data and software over the internet instead of having to keep it all on your computer. It's like having a virtual storage unit that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection. Moving on, we have CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's basically a system that helps you keep track of all your interactions with your customers. You can use it to see what they've bought, what they like, and how they feel about your business. Now, let's talk about AR, which stands for Augmented Reality. This is a technology that enhances real world with virtual elements. It's like a digital layer that you can add on top of a physical world using devices like smartphones and AR glasses. For example, you could use AR to see how a piece of furniture would look in your living room. Moving on to SEO, or Search Engine Optimization. This is all about making your website show up higher in search results. You can do this by using the right keywords, creating quality content, and getting on other websites like yours. Next up, we have SaaS, which stands for Software as Service. This is just a fancy way of saying that you can use software over the internet without having to install it on your own device. It's like renting a tool instead of buying it. Then we have UI, which stands for User Interface. This is just a part of the software application that you can see and interact with, like buttons, menus, and icons. It is the face of the software. Next, we have UX, or User Experience. This is about how you can feel when you use a software application. Do you find it easy to use? Do you find it visually appealing? Does it do what it needs to do? All these things are part of the user experience. Moving on to AI, or Artificial Intelligence. This is all about creating software that can do things that normally require human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and decision making. You might already be using AI without realizing. It's like when you use Siri or Alexa. And finally, we have virtual reality, or VR. This is a technology that creates a whole new world that you can explore using special devices like headsets and gloves. It is like stepping into a video game. So there you have it, 10 tech terms that you need to know, explained in a language that is easy to understand. I hope this has helped demystify some of the tech jargons out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more episodes of Tech for Founders.